And that will be high cost of living. Once again, high cost of living.
Thank you so much for that question. Well, we are living in the Philippines, where we are considered as a third world country, not just like the America or the United Kingdom, wherein the cost of living is very appropriate to each citizen so they can sustain it. So I believe the best way for us to cope with the high cost living in the Philippines is to also increase the salary of each employee and of each companies here in the Philippines, that though many Filipinos workers could actually survive and sustain the lives that they have. Well, you know, actually, as someone who experiencing to live by myself, because my parents are in Santa Maria, Bulacan, and I live alone here in Manila, even if I am a student, I could actually experience the high cost of living here in the Philippines through basic necessities that I am using. So I believe that in the local government units, it may sound cliche as it is, but you should prioritize on upskilling those people who are very vulnerable just to survive for a day in their everyday lives. Upskilling them, focus on microfinancing business so they would learn how to put their money on the betterment of their actually life. So I believe that these two things could not actually help them or only help them to survive, but it could give them a life that is dependable for the future. Good evening and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss